So you guys, as Gogo Skhotheni was explaining to McG on his podcast about the signs to look for when someone has a twilight, she said the number one sign to look for would of course be polygamy. You would find that the man has lots of wives, and not only that, she said out of those wives, one of them would probably be unable to conceive because the snake, she said that the snake that the husband has twilight with probably has eaten the womb of one of his wives.
Success Ukuthwala or through consulting?
You can. Now, abantu abathwele, these are the signs. They'll have more than 3 wives, which is Tembu. One of them must not have kids. Because the snake is eating the womb.
Okay.
Check it out.
Okay, red flag number 1.
Check it out. Most of them bathwele, and they're gonna have abafazi abaningi, but one of them must not have kids.
Like that guy from Durban, man.
Nah. Hawu.
Oh, excuse.
Musa.
Mosukhuluma.
Yeah,
Mosukhuluma.
Musukhulum.
No.
Musa.
You know, one of them must not have kids. Then the other one,
this is
he's
scary,
walking
man.
barefoot. You know, he doesn't usually wear shoes.
I know a guy who used to do that at cars.
Yeah. The other one, very dirty. They don't bath, but they've got money like dust. They don't bath. The other one, they have to always have different goals. That's why they go to clubs Monday to Monday. They must have different goals, you know, because the snake. Other one, a man must sleep with a man.
Man, what if someone is just homosexual and
No, that
successful?
happens, but I'm just telling you. They'll get married, yes?
Okay.
Some, not all of them. So these are the signs that you have to look at. It's that one, yes, Tembu. It's that one of being dirty. That one of walking barefoot. That one of sleeping with different girls. That one of sleeping with men. With women, they'll not get married. Also with men, they'll not get married, most of them, because the snake is their wife.
Sure. Hey, man, I'm scared, man.
But
Hey,
it's
Now, people were shocked to hear McG alluding that Gogo Skhotheni is talking about popular polygamist Musa Mseleku because he gave an example that saying like that Durban guy before Gogo Skhotheni had cut him off, and unfortunately it was too late as he had already uttered those words. Also, Usol Penduka hinted that also hinted that it is Musa Mseleku by saying Musu, even though they did not mention their names, you guys. The reason why people thought Skhotheni was referring to Mseleku was the comparison that she made, because number one, Musa Mseleku is a rich businessman with multiple wives, and also number two, Umakhumalo is also struggling to conceive, and Skhotheni mentioned that men who have toilet, their wives also struggles with having children, you guys. Now fans of Uthando Nestembu are fuming over Skhotheni and are asking her to hands off their favorite couple. Well, what are your thoughts, guys? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. I'll definitely see you on the next video.